Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to apply a cinematic color grading to your photos in Photoshop. First, let's start by opening our photo in Photoshop and going to the Layers panel. We want to make sure we have a duplicate layer of our original photo, so we can make adjustments without affecting the original. Next, we will go to the Adjustments panel and add a Curves adjustment layer. We will start by making an S-curve to adjust the contrast of the photo. This is important for a cinematic feel as it will deepen the shadows and brighten the highlights. Now, let's add a hue or saturation adjustment layer. We will decrease the saturation of the yellows and greens to give the photo a more muted and moody look. We can also play around with the saturation levels of other colors to find the perfect look. Next, we will add the color lookup adjustment layer. This is where we can really add that cinematic look to our photo. We can choose from various presets, but for this photo, we will choose the teal and orange preset. This will give our photo a blue-orange color contrast, which is often seen in action movies and thrillers. Once we've applied our color lookup adjustment, we can further enhance it by adjusting the opacity of the layer to our liking. Lastly, we can add a vignette to our photo by creating a new layer and using the elliptical marquee tool to create a circle around the center of the photo. We will then fill the selection with black and use the Gaussian blur filter to soften the edges. We can adjust the opacity to achieve the desired intensity of our vignette. And there you have it. Our photo now has a cinematic color grading applied to it, giving it a more dramatic and professional look. Thank you for watching and I hope this tutorial was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Photoshop tutorials.